Good morning, my dear students. Now in this video we are going to solve the pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Here actually 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. So these equations we have to convert into pair of linear equations. Actually these are not linear equations. We have to convert them into the linear equation. How it is? This is very important. It is also one of the logical methods. How to frame these pair of linear equations? Here 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. If you observe this, 1 by 2 into 1 by x you can write, plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Just you imagine this. Suppose if 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Can you assume what is the equation now? 1 by 2, actually 1 by x is p. It becomes p by 2 plus here this is 1 by y is q, this is q by 3 is equal to 2. But it is not actually in the form of linear equations. Now you take again LCM 6. Now this is 3p plus 2q is equal to 2. 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. Now it is 3p plus 2q is equal to 12 is a linear equation. So you observe this process. Here this is very important. 1 by x and 1 by q, how to convert into the form of linear equation, how to reduce this equation. Now can you assume this equation 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y. If 1 by x is equal to p, 1 by y is equal to q, then it is p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. 13 by 6. Here this is LCM 6. 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 by 6. If you take 6 that side, 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 by 6. It becomes into 6. These are cancelled. Now this is 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Suppose it is equation 1, it is equation 2. Now these are equation 3 and equation 4. Now we observe these two equations. These two are linear equations. Like this you have to convert given equations into pair of linear equations. Now we have to solve the p value and the q value. So these are linear equations. 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. 2p plus 3p is equal to 13. Now any method we can follow to solve these equations. We learned already substitution method, elimination method and the cross multiplication method. Any method you take and solve it. Now I am taking here elimination method. How to solve by using the elimination method? In the elimination method we have to make same coefficients. In that video I explained that elimination method. Here third equation you have to multiply with 2 minus fourth equation with 3. Third equation, multiply by 2, subtraction, same symbols are there. You observe here, if you multiply with 2, that is 6p plus 4q is equal to 24. Here fourth equation, again 6p plus 3 3s are 9q is equal to 13 into 3, 39. Now these are the same symbols, that's why we are subtracting. Plus becomes minus, it is minus, it plus becomes minus. Now 6p cancel. 5 minus 5q is equal to, minus 5q is equal to 39 minus 24. How much? 15, I think. Minus 15. So minus minus cancel. Q is equal to 15 by 5. Now Q is equal to 3. We got Q value as 3. You substitute Q is equal to 3 in the third equation or fourth equation, then you can get the P value. Here I substitute Q is equal to 3. Substitute Q is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3 in equation 3. In equation 3. So here 3p plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 3p plus 6 is equal to 12. 3p is equal to 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6, 3p is equal to 6. P is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. We are getting P is equal to 2. Here, you observe students, here we are getting P value and Q value, but not X value and Y value. Actually, we have to find X value and Y value. Now, we assumed 1 by X is equal to P and 1 by Y is equal to Q. Now, 1 by X is equal to, here 1 by X is equal to P means P, 1 by X is equal to P, what is the value of P here? 2. We take reciprocals, then X is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2, we got X is equal to 1 by 2 here. After that, what about 1 by Y is equal to Q? 1 by Y is equal to Q. Now what is the value of Y? Here 1 by Y is equal to Q value, we got 3. Again you take reciprocals, Y is equal to 1 by 3. So the ultimate answer is X is equal to 1 by 2 and Y is equal to 1 by 3. Is one more method in the pair of linear equations. Here, my dear students, you see one more question. Here 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. These are two equations. We have to convert these equations into the pair of linear equations. If you observe this 5 by x minus 1, here 6 by x minus 1. How to assume this now? Let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to Q. So actually this is first equation, given equation. It is equation 2. Now what are the new equations now? When we are assuming 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to Q. What are the new equations now? Here this is 5p plus q is equal to 2. What about this equation? 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. So this is equation 3, it is equation 4. It is equation 4. Now we have to solve these equations in a method. I am doing this is substitution method. First, this is from equation 3. From equation 3, q is equal to 2 minus 5p. Q is equal to 2 minus 5p. You substitute this value in this equation. Substitute q is equal to 2 minus 5p in equation 4. Equation 4. Now what is this? 6p minus, we substitute 2 minus 5p in the place of q. 3 into 2 minus 5p is equal to 1. 6p minus 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus 15p is equal to 1. 6p plus 15p, that is 21p, minus 6 is equal to 1. So 21p is equal to 1 plus 6. So 21p is equal to 7. Then what about p? P is equal to 7 by 21, that is 1 by 3. So we got p is equal to 1 by 3 from this equation. Now what about q? Already we got p is equal to 1 by 3. Here q is equal to 2 minus 5 into 1 by 3. That is 2 minus 5 by 3. You take LCM here. By 1, 3, 6 minus 5, that is 1 by 3. So we got q is equal to 1 by 3. So we got p is equal to 1 by 3 and q is equal to 1 by 3. How to find x value and y value? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, p means 1 by 3. Now x minus 1, therefore x minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 plus 1, x is equal to 4. This is the x value. Here you take reciprocals of these both. 1 by x minus 1 becomes reciprocal x minus 1. 1 by 3 is 3. After that, how to find the y value? Q is equal to 1 by 3 means 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Again you take reciprocals, y minus 2 is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 plus 2, y is equal to 5. Like this we can find the x and y values.